me I bring the truth. With every line me drop, me I share the proof. My lyrics full of wisdom, knowledge in the floor. From the east to the west, me want everybody to know. In all the struggle we rise, lift up your head high. No matter the trials, you have to reach for the sky. Teaching me brethren and me sister into good vibes are the remedy. That's how we do lyrics with meaning. From my heart it a come. Jah bless the journey, we arise like the sun. Spread them good vibes, let the whole world see. Together we stand in unity, we free. From the corner of the block to the heart of the city, me a vibrate love, there ain't no pity. Turn up the volume, let the music play loud. Me I sing for the people, don't turn down the sound. Me lyrics like a river, flowing ever strong. Teaching lessons in the rhythm, come on join the song. Unity are the key, we a break down the walls. With every verse me deliver, me let the peace call. Lyrics with meaning, from me heart it a come. Jah bless the journey, we arise like the sun. Spread them good vibes, let the whole world see. Together we stand in unity, we free. Listen my brethren and sistren, hear the message clear. In this life struggle we have to persevere. Chase away the darkness, let the light shine bright. Wisdom of the lantern guiding through the night. My words full of fire ignite the soul within. Teach the youth them good vibes, help them for win. With love and with patience we can build a better place. Keep the rhythm flowing, let us finish the race. Lyrics with meaning, from my heart it a come. Jah bless the journey, we arise like the sun. Spread them good vibes, let the whole world see. Together we stand in unity, we free. So gather round now, my friends and my fam. Every word a blessing like a soothing balm. From the roots of the culture, me I spread the truth. With every beat and every rhyme, me I teach the youth. Brethren and sistren, let's uplift the vibe in the spirit of love. We are come alive, so listen to the lesson and let it resonate. With love in the lyrics, let us celebrate. Lyrics with meaning, from your heart it a come. Jah bless the journey, we arise like the sun. Spread them good vibes, let the whole world see. Together we stand in unity, we free. Oh, me hear the call, the sound of the people. Together we rise, we not move illegal. In the midst of the struggle, we are sing for the light. With the power of the music, we are shine so bright. Lyrics with meaning, from our heart it a come. Jah bless the journey, we arise like the sun. Spread them good vibes, let the whole world see. Together we stand in unity, we're free. So as the sun sets down and the stars start to glow, remember the message, let the love overflow.